In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a library in Adobe Creative Cloud with your team. This is an essential skill to help streamline collaboration, ensuring everyone on your team has access to the resources they need. Let's take it step by step. First, you'll want to open up the Creative Cloud desktop app. This is your gateway to a whole suite of creative tools and resources, and having access to everything directly from your desktop helps keep things organized and accessible. Once you're in the app, direct your attention to the Files section. It's here that you'll find your libraries. These libraries are where you've stored your creative assets, from photos to design templates, all organized to suit your project's needs. Now, in front of you is a list of all your libraries. Hover over the particular library you're aiming to share with your team. When you do this, you'll see a More Actions icon appear. It looks like 3 dots lined up vertically. Not hard to miss. Click on this icon, and from the drop-down menu that appears, you'll select Invite People. This action sets up the sharing process, allowing you to specify who gets access to your library and what they can do with it. Next, you'll see a field where you can enter the email addresses of your team members. It's essential to double-check these addresses to make sure your invitations reach the right people. Remember, sharing is all about inclusion, ensuring that everyone is on the same page. Once you've input the email addresses, you have the opportunity to determine what level of access each invitee should have. You'll have 2 options. The first is Can Edit, which grants colleagues the ability to add new assets, make changes, or even remove items. This level is best for team members actively contributing to the creative work. The second option is Can View, which allows users to see and use the assets, but keeps them from making alterations. This is ideal for those who only need to access the completed materials or reference the assets for other parts of the project. After you've made your selections, click Invite. Doing so will send out both an email and an in-app notification to the people you've chosen. They'll be informed about their new access and can then navigate to Files and look under Shared with you to find the library you've just shared. This step ensures everyone knows where to go to find what they need, instantly optimizing workflow and reducing time spent on unnecessary back and forths. And that's it. You've successfully shared your Adobe Creative Cloud library with your team, making collaboration that much easier and more efficient. This process not only streamlines teamwork, but also fosters a more integrated and cohesive working environment. Thank you for following along, and feel free to refer back to this guide whenever you need a refresher. Keep creating and collaborating.